In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Hostinger account. Let's face it, we all have moments when we misplace important information like passwords or get locked out of an account. But don't worry, because I'm here to guide you back into your Hostinger account smoothly and easily. First and foremost, let's open your favorite web browser and navigate to Hostinger's main website. Now, once you're on the home page, look up to the top right corner and click on the Login button. It's usually a straightforward process, but today, we'll need to take a slight detour. Look right below the login fields where you'll find a small link that says Forgot Password? Go ahead and click on it. Now, it's time to input the email address that you used when you initially signed up for your Hostinger account. Type it in carefully to ensure there are no typos. Once you've done that, click on the Send Reset Link button. You might find this part particularly important. Make sure to check your email inbox for a reset email from Hostinger. This is where a tiny bit of patience comes in handy. If the email doesn't arrive in a few minutes, glance over your spam or promotions folders. Sometimes these emails can wander off course. When you locate the email, open it and you'll find a Reset Password button. Clicking this will take you to a new page where you can safely and securely create a fresh password for your account. Speaking of passwords, while it's tempting to use something simple, make sure your new password is strong and unique. You want something that balances security and memorability. I suggest a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols, but avoid using the same password across multiple sites. Once your new password is set, you can try logging in again by returning to the Hostinger homepage. Click Login and enter your email along with your brand new password. With any luck, you'll find yourself back on your dashboard, ready to dive back into managing your hosting services. In the future, to avoid the hassle of being locked out, consider using a password manager. These handy tools keep track of your passwords so you won't have to, saving you from the merry-go-round of password resets. So, there you have it. Following these steps should help you regain access to your Hostinger account. Remember, getting locked out happens to the best of us, but with this guide, you're now better equipped to handle it. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful videos.